In today's video, I'm going to share with you what the secret sauce is to being successful when it comes to online marketing. How can you actually make money online? Well, let's just follow the gurus. Why don't we just see where all the breadcrumbs are? So Grant Cardone. What does he believe is the secret sauce to being wealthy? Real estate. What about Dan Lok? What is the secret sauce for becoming wealthy? It's you're not charging enough money. You need to charge more money. You need to be a high ticket closer. So he has his HTC program. What else? Sam Ovens. Love Sam Ovens. What's his thing? In order for you to be successful, you should be a consultant. Ted McGrath. What do you need to be successful? You need to be a speaker on stage, or you need to be able to find your message and send it to millions of people. That's his flagship, Message to Millions. So he believes that you should be the celebrity. What about Gary Vee? What's his thing? Well, he doesn't necessarily believe in courses and all this kind of stuff, but instead, he believes in speaking on stages. That's how he makes a lot of his cashola. Plus, he has an agency. But if you go, I'll leave Gary Vee to the end because this will put this all together. So we'll talk about Gary Vee a little bit, how he does things similar but different. All these people have books, courses, programs, all kinds of stuff, webinars, everything. This guy is still the enigma, and we're going to talk about him in another video. What about Russell Brunson? What's his thing? What's his secret sauce? Russell Brunson. His thing is ClickFunnels. You're one funnel away from success. One funnel away. So his thing is, if you buy ClickFunnels, you will master the game. You're one funnel away, and that's the software that he created. He makes hundreds of millions of dollars. Hundreds of millions of dollars. What about, who else do we have? What about Tai Lopez? What's his thing? Lopez. What's his thing to be successful? You need mentors. That was his big thing a few years ago. Mentors, and you need knowledge. Neil Patel. Marketing. He has an agency. So he believes in that. That's the way to do it. Marketing, branding. I can go on and on. Sonny Lenarduzzi. Be your own boss. So what is the secret sauce? Because you can go in another direction. How about Taylor Welch? You can go, you're just not charging enough. You need to be charging more money. You need to be able to communicate. You need to find the gap. You need to become a closer. Very similar to what's his name? Dan Lok's HTC program. Same thing. You got to be a high ticket closer. That is the only way to be successful online. And I can go on and on and on and on, but, and this might piss you off a bit, there is one common theme that everybody does, including the man of the hour, Gary Vaynerchuk. There's one thing that they all have in common. One thing. We can go with Tony Robbins, Dean Grazioni, whatever his name is. have his book as well, some millionaire book. Anyways, the point is, they all do this. Marketing. Why is that? If someone like Russ Ruffino, who has a company called Clients on Demand, if he says this one video caused him to make over $70 million with one presentation, why isn't that all he does? Why does he do email marketing? Why does Sam Ovens do email marketing? Why does Taylor Welch, Dan Lok, Ty Lopez, like the list goes on? Why does everybody do email marketing if their secret sauce works? If Grant Cardone is so heavy into real estate, why doesn't he just do real estate? Why does he do email marketing as well? Why? That's what you have to ask yourself. Every time you watch a YouTube video and then at the end of it they say, for free training, go to my website. You go to the website. Before we take you to the free training, which will blow your mind, give us your name and email. Gary Vaynerchuk, you go to his agency. If they want to be able to help you out, you have to give them your name, first name, email address. Why do they ask for your email address? It's because they can market to you. They could do email marketing. Hopefully I've hammered across the point. Hopefully I've hammered the point across that you need to do email marketing. You need to build your own massive list, because I promise you, you are on everybody else's list. Dan Henry, Alaric Heck. I can go on. Frank Kearns, like Twitter, Zoom, Google. It goes on and on. Netflix has you on their list. So if you don't get anything else out of this video, my goodness gracious, great balls of fire, you should be building your own cotton picking list. And if you don't know how to do that, go visit my website, become part of my list, go to massivelists.com. I have a free course there, a video that shows you a little bit about how this all works. And if you want to go further, obviously I have an offer for you as well. If you don't want to, you can watch some free content. You can subscribe, and then I send you free training as well. This is how the game works. If you don't have your own website, and if you don't have an autoresponder, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. I'm telling you, because this is what all the gurus are doing. And I've read hundreds of thousands of emails in my lifetime, and you probably have too. You've probably read thousands of emails, but specifically in the last 7 years, I've read over 100,000 emails, and that's spending 20 to 40 minutes every single day. And if you do that, you can do the same thing, and you'll learn the same skills, because I extracted 7 frameworks that every internet marketer does over and over and over again in their emails. And if you want to know what those are, just go to massivelists.com and I share that with you. You need to be doing this for yourself. You need to have your own stuff, your own courses. There you go. There's it's kind of a bit of a rant, but hopefully this makes sense to you as to why you need to specialize in email marketing. You need to know this stuff. You need to know how to set up your email marketing campaigns, all kinds of stuff. You need to know how to grab people's emails. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.